Hi guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to download Threads in Meta. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and let's dive right in. So let's begin with opening our App Store or Play Store if you do have an Android, and simply just search for Threads. And all you have to do is just click on Threads and Instagram app, and that is the app that we are talking about for you to be able to download the Threads by Instagram. And once you click the application here, you'll be able to see the features on what this application is about, and all you have to do is simply click on install. And once fully installed, you will be able to sign in with your own Instagram account. So here you see if you do have an existing Instagram account on your phone, you see that it automatically provides you the option to log in with your Instagram account. So when you click on it, you can simply just wait for it to load, and there you have your Instagram account fully downloaded and you're logged in. You see that there are a few posts already that all of the other Threads users have posted on this new application. On the search box, that's where you can search for new users or fellow Threads users as well. And the next icon right below the application is for you to write a thread. Next on that's with the heart icon, that's where you'll be able to view your activity. It's all your activities, or you can filter it with all the requests, mentions, and replies. And on your profile, you'll be able to view the posts or the threads that you've posted. And as you can see, for every threads that has been posted in your account or on this application, you'll be able to like. You have the option to reply or comment. You have the option to repost, and you can even send the specific thread through direct message with this new platform. It's very similar to Twitter, since this is a text based social media platform. So instead of posting an image so that you'll be able to post an idea like Instagram, with this, you can definitely just post a text or an idea or a thought that you have in mind with that day without even posting any images. So that's basically it. You can browse into a lot of posts here from different Threads users, and that's how you'll be able to download and use Threads by Meta. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!